In this schedule, Y stands for national income, C stands for consumption, I stands for investment, S for savings, ये aggregate demand और aggregate supply. Now at zero level of income, there will be some consumption 10, 15, as well as income level increases, consumption will also increases. Investment, that is constant at every level of output. Income level, consumption is same. Then savings can be derived. Income minus consumption is equal to savings. Income minus consumption, minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Then aggregate demand. This is the summation of C plus I, consumption or investment. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Aggregate supply. Aggregate supply is the summation of consumption or savings. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now we have to derive a consumption level upon which aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply and saving is equal to investment. So here 40 crore is the income level where aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply and saving is equal to investment. This is the equilibrium level of income, output and employment, indicates full employment level. Before this level, aggregate demand is greater than aggregate supply, and beyond this level, aggregate demand is less than aggregate supply. Let us convert this schedule into a graph. Aggregate demand and aggregate supply, that is shown on upper panel of the diagram, and saving or investment on the lower panel of the diagram. These are the income levels. Level of income. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80. In the upper panel of the diagram, let us draw first of all aggregate demand. At 0 level of income, aggregate demand is 20. 0 income level, aggregate demand 20. At 10 income level, aggregate demand 25. 20 to 30. 30 income level, aggregate demand 35. 40 by 40. 50 by 45. 60 by 50, and last one is 55. Aggregate demand curve. Then let us draw aggregate supply. At 0 level of income, aggregate supply is 0. 10 by 10, 20 by 20, 30 by 30, then 40, 50 by 50, then 60, and last one is 70. While joining all these points, we can obtain aggregate supply 45 degree angle. Aggregate supply जो है always brings 45 degree angle. AD is equal to AS at point E, which is the intersection point of aggregate demand and aggregate supply at 40 crore income level. Now in the lower panel of the diagram, first of all let us draw a saving curve. At 0 level of income, savings are minus 10. At 10 crore income level, savings are -5. At 20 crore income level, savings are 0. 30 पे 5 है. 40 crore income level पे savings 10 है. 50 crore income level पे savings 15. 60 crore income level पे savings 20 और 70 crore income level पे savings है 25. So this is the SS saving curve. Then investment, zero income level पे 10, 10 पे भी 10, 20 पे 10, 30 पे 10, 40 पे 10, 50, 60, 70. While joining all these points, investment curve goes parallel to x-axis, and this is the intersection point of savings or investment indicated by E1. This is full employment level. In the upper panel of the diagram, where aggregate demand and aggregate supply intersect each other, that is also the full employment level of income, output and employment. Beyond this level, aggregate demand is less than aggregate supply because aggregate supply is more than aggregate demand. And before this level, aggregate demand is more than aggregate supply. And similarly, savings are more than investment after equilibrium level of income, and before this equilibrium level, savings are less than investment. So J.M. Keynes indicates that there are three equilibrium levels: AD is equal to AS, AD is less than AS, or AD is greater than AS. And we can derive this equilibrium level with the equation aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. Aggregate demand means consumption plus investment is equal to aggregate supply के indicators हैं consumption plus savings, or savings is equal to investment. So this is the equilibrium level of income, output and employment. Aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply, or savings is equal to investment. So that's all regarding this equilibrium level of income, output and employment. Thanks.